Next time you're in Big Bear, do yourself a big favor and head up to the village and stop in at one of my new favorite places, TropicCali. It's located right next to the Holiday Inn Express, which used to be known as the Knickerbocker Hotel. Located a block east of the village and 2 blocks east of Whiskey Dave's, formerly Chad's place. When I first drove by, there was a bit of a line, which sparked my interest. As I parked and approached, though, the line had already moved inside, and I noticed this unique Easter Island head with a great caption outside. The caption reads, "This is my happy place." This place probably rivals Disneyland as one of the happiest places on earth. The staff here have super high positive energy. If you're feeling grumpy, don't come ruin everyone's time. But if you're ready to have a great time, or even if you're just a little down and need a pick-me-up, the staff here is super exciting. This place is definitely tiki'd out and has a wide variety of island-inspired food. I went with the basic teriyaki bowl. It only took me about a minute to order, a minute to be seated, and maybe 5 minutes max for my food to arrive, and it was good. They also have a wide variety of non-alcoholic drinks, almost like a smoothie. I had a Tiki Tea and a Tropical Gangster. When they deliver your Tropical Gangster order, the guy is so funny, he's like, "Straight off probation." You had to be there. Due to COVID, the inside dining tiki area was closed, but the outside was wonderful. You have a sense of zen as you walk around and check out the ambiance. There is tropical music playing and a fun crowd relaxing and having a good time. I can't say enough about how amazing their staff is there. They really made this experience through the roof. Their funny and witty comments have me looking forward to my next visit. TropicCali is not a big restaurant, but it definitely makes up for it in style. Here's a picture of the elusive blue drink. Later we found out it was called the Blue Crush, but I still like to call it a blue drink. I would have liked to take some more pictures of people, and especially the staff, but I couldn't do so without invading people's privacy. Here's a quick look at the bathrooms, which were very clean, but I decided not to do a bathroom review.
Bro, thanks for coming through to TropicCali, bro.
All right.
Oh my gosh, bro. Dude. You wore that just for us, dude? Oh, man. Oh, bro, thanks for coming through to TropicCali, bro.
All right. Watch the video to the end to see more pictures of the inside of TropicCali, as well as the food. Also, please think about subscribing. Right now, my only subscribers are my grandma and her sewing circle. And it would mean so much to grandma if you subscribe. Also, she always tells me I'm special. So, if you make a comment below telling me I'm special, that would just make grandma feel great. If you like reviews, a fun place in Southern California, as well as dry, low-key humor, stay tuned for more. Plan on posting about once a week. This next picture is actually my tiki cabana at the house, but I liked it, so I threw it in anyways.
Bro, thanks for coming through to TropicCali, bro.
All right.